This is Odinn reporting from Newsroom 20 at Black Duck School. Here at the newsroom, we have just received some breaking weather news. Weather models show that there is a blizzard heading our direction. With this type of storm, you can expect high winds. A blizzard makes whistling sounds. Winds can be gentle breeze or a strong gale. Cold, warm air goes over cold air, turning to snow. Heavy or blowing snow have 35 miles per hour winds. It lasts longer than 3 hours. You can only see less than 1 out of 4 miles. This cold be dangerous. So stay in your house. Do not travel. Before the storm comes, stock up on food and water. Did you know a blizzard can have 35 miles per hour winds? There was a blizzard in 1888 that dumped 40 to 50 inches of snow. With proper preparation, our town will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us at Newsroom 20 at Black Duck School or check NOAA Weather Radio for the most current news and updates about this storm. Your news reporter, Odinn.